Hi everyone, welcome back. This is Srikanth Reddypalli. FinOps stands for Financial Operations and it's a practice built specifically for cloud computing. The core idea here is collaboration, helping tech, finance, and business teams work together to understand the cloud spending. That means knowing where the money is going, preventing unexpected spikes in the bill, and making smarter decisions with every dollar. FinOps is not just about cutting costs, it is about getting the real value of the money you are already spending in the cloud. A simple way to think about this is imagine three teams sharing one cloud bill, like roommates sharing an internet bill. Everyone uses the cloud, but the invoice comes with a single number. Without clarity, no one knows what drove the cost. Without FinOps, you get the questions like why the bill is so high, but with FinOps, you get the answers. In the example which you are seeing, there are three roommates, tech, business, and finance, who are using the same internet and they'll be sharing the internet bill. Without FinOps, they don't know like who is using how much and why the overall bill is high. But with FinOps, they will know the answers. Maybe something like tech has downloaded the latest movie or resources during a launch, and business has approved the activity. He said, okay, go ahead and download. And finance, maybe if they are aware of this, they might also budget it. Okay, this month you can download them, and we maybe the bill will be within the limits. That's the essence of FinOps. Teams work together to track usage, avoid billing surprises, and spend smarter across the board. So, to recap, FinOps is a practice of bringing tech, business, and finance together to understand and manage cloud spend more effectively. In the following videos, we will explore why cloud bills tend to spiral out of control and how FinOps helps teams manage those costs effectively in real business environments. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.